So welcome. This video is based on integration of basic functions, some standard functions, then trigonometric functions, and so on. This is a part one of this integration required for your examination. So the first formula that we are going to deal in this one is listed of the formulas. Integral of x power n dx is going to be x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Integral of e power x dx is going to be e power x plus c. Integral of 1 upon x dx is going to be ln x plus c. These are the standard functions that you need to memorize it out, though these are there in formula booklet, but the way you memorize it will be better. Integral of cos x is nothing but what? Sin x plus c. Then integral of sin x. Integral of sin x dx equals to negative cos x plus c. Then another few more formula is integral of secant square x. Integral of secant square x is tan x plus c. Then integral of cosecant x dx is minus integral of cosecant square x. Integral of cosecant square x is minus cotangent x plus c. Next is integral of cosecant x cot x dx is going to be negative cosecant x plus c. Next is integral of secant x tan x dx is going to be secant x plus c. So these are the totally how many formulas, the standard formulas we need to memorize it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 9 formulae you need to memorize it out to solve the questions based on these formulas in the next exercise. So let us start first solving the questions based on this standard 9 formulas. So the first question says 3 secant square x plus 5x 5 upon x plus 2 upon x square. So how am I going to do that one? So integral of secant square x. Integral of secant square x is tan x. 5 upon x. 5 upon x is nothing but what? Or else let me write it out everything in a proper format so that it will be easy to understand at a later stage. So I am going to erase this one over here and write the question in the proper format is integral of 3 secant square x plus 5 upon x plus 2x power negative 2 dx. So how am I going to write that one? It becomes 3 tan x plus 5 ln x minus 2x power negative 1 plus c. So it becomes 3 tan x plus 5 ln x minus 2 upon x plus c. That is the first one. Coming to the second one, integral of 5 e power x minus 4 sin x plus 2x cube dx. So it becomes 5 e power x plus 4 cos x. Integral of sin x is negative cos x. Then x cube integral is 2x power 4 upon 4 plus c. Upon further simplification, what do I get it out? 5 e power x plus 4 cos x plus x power 4 upon 2 plus c. This is going to be the answer. Now coming to part C, integral of 2 bracket sin x minus cosine x plus x dx. 2 sin x integral is minus 2 cos x, minus 2 cos x integral is minus 2 sin x, and 2x integral is nothing but what? X square. 2x integral is x square plus c. Next part D, integral of 3 secant x tan x minus 2 upon x dx. So 3 secant x tan x integral is 3 secant x minus 2 1 upon x integral is 2 ln x plus c. Part E, integral of 5 e power x plus 4 cos x minus 2 upon x square dx. So what do I do? First do the cleanup procedure. 5e power x plus 4 cos x minus 2x power negative 2 dx. So what does that becomes? 5e power x plus 4 sin x plus 2 upon x plus c. Then f integral of 1 upon 2 times 1 upon x plus 2 cosecant square x dx. It becomes 1 upon 2 ln x, then minus 2 cotangent x plus c. Cosecant square x integral is minus 2 cotangent x. Next is g. Part g, integral of 1 upon x plus 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x cubed dx. So integral of 1 upon x plus x power negative 2 plus x power negative 3 dx. 1 upon x is nothing but what? Ln x. This becomes x power negative 1 upon negative 1 plus x power negative 2 upon negative 2 plus c. Simplify that. Ln absolute value of x, negative 1 upon x, negative 1 upon 2x square plus c. And finally h, integral of e power x plus sin x plus cos x dx. Integral of e power x is e power x, sin x integral is negative cos x integral is sin x plus c. I, integral of 2 cosecant x cot x minus secant square x dx. So integral of 2 cosecant x cot x is 2 cosecant x and secant square x integral is tan x plus c. Finally j part, integral of e power x plus 1 upon x minus cosecant square x dx. Integral of e power x is e power x plus integral of 1 upon x is ln x and cosecant square x integral is negative cotangent x. So negative times negative, positive. So plus cot x plus c. That's going to be the answer. Next one will be somewhat higher level. So 1 upon cos square x. 1 upon cos square x plus 1 upon x square. So 1 upon cos square x can be written as secant square x. 1 upon x square can be written as x power minus 2 dx. So it will become tan x minus 1 upon x plus c. Part b, sin x upon cos square x. What is it, sin x upon cos square x? It can be written as sin x upon cos x times cos x plus 2e power x. So why am I writing it out like that? Because sin by cos will become tan and 1 by cosine will become secant. So it will become integral of secant x tan x plus 2e power x dx. So secant x tan x, integral is secant x. Integral is secant x plus 2e power x integral is e power x plus c. Coming to part c, 1 plus cos x upon sin square x plus 1 plus x upon x square dx. Now bifurcate. What do I mean by bifurcate? 1 upon sin square x plus cos x upon sin square x. How can I write sin square x? Sin x times sin x plus 1 upon x square plus x upon x square. So I have bifurcated each fraction. So what am I going to do that? It becomes 1 upon cos sin square x is cosecant square x. Then cos upon sin is cotangent and 1 upon sin is cosecant. So it becomes cosecant x cot x plus x power negative 2 plus 1 upon x dx. So it becomes minus cot x minus cosecant x minus 1 upon x plus ln x, ln absolute value of x plus c. Coming to part d, 1 upon sin square x plus 1 upon x dx. 1 upon sin square x is nothing but what? Cosecant square x plus 1 upon x dx. Cosecant square x integral is minus cotangent x plus ln absolute value of x plus c. This is going to be the answer for part D. Next, part E. Integral of sin x times 1 plus secant square x dx. So integral of sin x times 1 is sin x times secant square x, sin x times secant square x. Secant square x is 1 upon cos square x dx. So it becomes integral of sin x. One sin upon cos will become tan, and another cos will be left over. 1 upon cos x is secant x dx. So sin x integral is negative cos x, secant x tan x integral is secant x plus c. That's going to be the answer for part C. Now, coming to part F. Integral of cos x times 1 plus cosecant square x dx. So integral of cos x times 1 is cos x, then cos x times cosecant square x. Cosecant square x is 1 upon sin square x dx. So what does that becomes? Integral of cos x plus cos upon sin will become cot x, and another 1 upon sin x will become cosecant x. Now cos x integral. What is cos x integral? Sin x, and cosecant x cot x integral is minus cosecant x plus c. Part G, integral of cosecant square x times 1 plus tan square x dx. So cosecant square x times 1 is cosecant square x. Cosecant square x times tan square x. Cosecant square is 1 upon sin square x. Tan square x is sin square x upon cos square x. Then sin square x gets cancels. So what am I left over with? Cosecant square x plus secant square x. What is cosecant square x integral? Minus cotangent x. What is tan secant square x integral? Tan x plus c. Next, h, integral of secant square x times 1 minus cot square x dx. Secant square x times 1 is secant square x minus secant square x cot square x dx. So integral of secant square x times secant square x cot square x. Secant square x will remain as it is. Secant square x is 1 upon cos square x. Cot square x is nothing but what? Cos square x upon sin square x. Now cos square x will get cancelled. So integral of secant square x minus 1 upon cos sin square x is cosecant square x. Integral of secant square x is tan x minus integral of cos square x cosecant square x is minus cot x plus c. Minus of minus, it becomes plus cot x plus c. Then I, integral of secant square x times 1 plus e power x cos square x dx. Expand it out. Secant square x times 1 is secant square x. When I multiply these both, secant square and cos square x gets cancelled, so e power x dx. Secant square x integral is tan x, e power x integral is e power x plus c. Finally, part J, integral of 1 plus sin x upon cos square x plus cos square x times secant x. So bifurcate. 1 upon cos square x is secant square x. Sin x upon cos square x is sin upon cos is tan. One more cos will be left over, so it will become secant x. Cos and secant will get cancelled, and only one more cos will be left over in this term. So secant square x integral is tan x. Secant x tan x integral is secant x. Sin x in cos x integral is sin x plus c. That completes the one. Now, for the next one, we need to learn the standard formulas what we have learned over there, but will be the next level of the standard formula. So what will be the next level of the standard formula? So over here, we have learned 9 formulas over here. Now the 10th formula, integral of ax plus b whole to the power of n will be 1 upon a. So 1 upon a, ax plus b whole to the power of n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. 11th formula, e power ax plus b. E power ax plus b is 1 upon a, e power ax plus b. So what we can see it out, in this another extension of the formula, all the formulas will be having instead of x, ax plus b. 12th one, 1 upon ax plus b will be 1 upon a ln ax plus b plus c. 13th, integral of cos of ax plus b will be 1 upon a sine of ax plus b plus c. 14th formula, integral of sine of ax plus b will be minus 1 upon a cos of ax plus b plus c. 15th formula, integral of secant square of ax plus b will be 1 upon a tan of ax plus b. We can see that every formula will be having 1 upon a extra. Then integral of cosecant of ax plus b and cot of ax plus b dx, which will become minus 1 upon a cosecant of ax plus b plus c. Integral of cosecant square of ax plus b, so becomes minus 1 upon a cotangent of ax plus b. Integral of secant of ax plus b tan of ax plus b will become 1 upon a secant of ax plus b. So these are the 18 formulae which will be useful for the next exercise or next set of questions. So question number 1, A, directly, it is a direct formula based. So integral of that one will become 1 upon 2 cos of negative 1 upon 2 cos of 2x plus 1 plus c. Part B, 3 e power 2x upon 2 plus c. Part C, 4 e power x plus 5 upon 1. Part D, sine 1 minus 2x upon minus 2. Then part E, cosecant square will become minus 1 upon 3 cot 3x. Part F, secant x tan x is tan x, so tan 4x 1 upon 4. Secant x tan x is secant x, not tan x, so it is 1 upon 4 secant 4x. Then G, sine integral is negative cos, so negative 3 cos 1 upon 2x plus 1 divided by 1 upon 2. So 3 divided by 1 upon 2 will become 6. So answer is going to be negative 6 cos of 1 upon 2x plus c. H, integral of secant square is nothing but what? Minus tan 2 minus x, because minus x integral is minus 1 plus c. Don't forget to write plus c over everything. Then I, cosecant 2x cot 2x is nothing but what? Minus cosecant 2x upon 2. And finally J, cos 3x integral is sine 3x upon 3 minus sine 3x integral is minus of minus plus cos 3x upon 3 plus c. Question number 2, a combination of 2 or more functions. Now e power 2x integral is e power 2x upon 2. Then minus 1 upon 2. Sine integral is minus cosine. So minus cosine 2x minus 1 divided by 2 plus c. So it becomes e power 2x upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 cos of 2x minus 1 plus c. Part B, e power x plus 1 whole square. So I expand it out, it becomes e power 2x plus 2 e power x plus 1 dx. So it becomes e power 2x upon 2 plus 2 e power x plus c. Part C, secant square 2x times 1 is secant square 2x plus secant square 2x times sine 2x. Secant square is 1 upon cos square 2x times sine 2x. So it becomes secant square 2x. Sine by cos will become tan 2x. 1 upon cos will become secant 2x dx. So secant square 2x integral is tan 2x upon 2. Secant x tan x integral is nothing but what? Secant x. So secant 2x upon 2 plus c. Part D, integral of 3 minus 2 cos of half x divided by sine square half x dx. So bifurcate, 3 upon sine square is nothing but what? Cosecant square half x minus 1 cos upon sine will become cot and another sine will become cosecant. So cosecant half x and cot half x dx. So 3 secant square is nothing but what? Minus 3 cotangent half x divided by half minus of minus, it becomes plus 2 cosecant half x divided by 1 upon 2 plus c. So the answer is going to be minus 6 cot half x plus 4 cosecant half x plus c. Part E, integral of e power 3 minus x plus sine of 3 minus x plus cos of 3 minus x dx. Integral of e power 3 minus x is e power 3 minus x divided by minus 1. Sine integral is minus cos of 3 minus x divided by minus 1. And cos integral is sine of 3 minus x divided by minus 1 plus c. So it becomes minus e power 3 minus x plus cos of 3 minus x minus sine of 3 minus x plus c. Coming to question number 3. Integral of 1 upon 2x plus 1 dx is ln of absolute value of 2x plus 1, 1 upon 2. Then integral of 2x plus 1 whole power minus 2 dx. It becomes 2x plus 1 whole power minus 1 upon minus 1 times 2. Divide by the derivative of the basic function. Don't forget to divide by the derivative of the basic function. The basic function is 2x plus 1, 2. So what does that becomes? Minus 1 upon 2 times 2x plus 1 plus c. Part C, integral of 2x plus 1 whole square. So it becomes 2x plus 1 whole cube upon 3 and divide by the derivative of basic function plus c. So it becomes 2x plus 1 whole cube by 6 plus c.